Since World War II, countless pilots have been rescued from water. Almost 70 years later, the U.S. Air Force is still training aviators how to survive a crash into the sea. Team members of the Barksdale Air Crew recently completed the water survival course at a local university and are required to renew the course every 3 years.
The training today was mostly just about getting the hands-on experience with some of the equipment we use in the B-52. It's not necessarily that we are going to remember everything that was taught here, but it's putting it on us to get to know our equipment and get to know how to use it in case that we actually do need to use it.
The first thing we did today was parachute disentanglements. There's a chance that when you come down under parachute in a water scenario, the parachute could come down on top of you. And with all the gear these guys are wearing as a B-52 air crew, they can be weighed down quite a bit, so they want to get out from underneath that parachute so they're not getting dragged down or suffocating underneath it. From there we went into another exercise that simulates being dragged by the parachute. If it's a really windy day on the ocean, as soon as they hit, that parachute could start to pull across the water and pull them with it, and basically all they're doing there is grabbing the risers from their parachute, tracing them down to the releases, opening those releases and releasing the parachute.
The parachutes generally release automatically, but in the event they don't, air crews are taught to do it manually.
Once we got done with drags, we practiced boarding procedures for the life raft, how to safely get into the life raft, check the life raft out to make sure it's aired up all the way. We have our accessory kit, our sea anchors deployed, which adds stability for the life raft. From there, we also practiced getting in and out of rescue devices that would be common with Coast Guard, Air Force, Navy, any type of helo could deploy.
This is really just important in case you really have to get in this scenario. You know you've been through the training and the training's going to kick in, so you know that you'll be able to survive in a water situation.
I'm Airman First Class Tori Groshik, Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana.